8:15. It's been about 20 minutes. I just lifted the coat and put my eyeballs really close, and it looks like it's 101.3 degrees inside that microwave oven. So we'll wait a little longer and hopefully it'll get up to 110. Okay, it's been over an hour now, about an hour and 10 minutes. And it's almost bedtime. It looks like it's 115 in there. I don't need it to be that hot. So let's uncover it a little bit and we'll be back later. It's pretty hot in here. This is Gilbert, Arizona. So we'll uncover it a little bit, and 115 is fine. Some people make their yogurt at 115 degrees, and so as long as it doesn't get over 120, we're all great. And I didn't cover the yogurt, so it's going to be a little cooler probably than the air temperature. So whether I should have uncovered it or not, we'll see. It's been about 45 minutes now. My wife called, I'm back up, and it's 107 degrees. And that's a little cool, so I'll take and cover the oven with one of the coats. I accidentally shut the door so that the light went off. So we'll make sure the light's on again, and we'll leave it like that and catch you later. It's been an hour and a half, and check this again. 105 degrees in there, so let me add more coat to it to wrap it up. Keep it warmer. Here we go. And we'll check back later when we wake up. Excuse me. It's been 5 hours. Oh, let's see. We got 2 coats on it. And 110.3 is what it says. So where could you stand to be a little hotter? I'm going back to sleep. It's late at night. Now it's 2:24. It's been 6.5 hours. And let's see, 109.4. So taking the both coats off, probably a bad idea. But that's okay. Yogurt's forgiving. I made some last week that it went down to 75 degrees in the night. So this is extremely constant and should be fine. See you again later. It's 4:42 now. It's been almost 8 hours, and the thermometer says 107.6. So we're doing pretty well. We've had a pretty constant temperature, a little lower than what we maybe wanted. Let's see, it takes 4 to 7 hours to make yogurt. Leaving it longer makes it more sour, more acid, and I like that. So we'll just leave it, and I'm going to go back to sleep. Good morning, it's Tom. It's 6 o'clock, and I think I'll get my yogurt out. Oh no, the light went off. What did that do? Still 107.6. Maybe I just now turned it off. And the yogurt, hey, it's stiff. So it dehydrated pretty well. And turned out just fine. Thank you. And let's see. If I had been hurting for heat, I could have put the microwave over on top of a burner and kept it a little warmer on super low. And that's the only thing I thought of. So maybe next time I'll get a thermometer to actually measure the yogurt temperature. Thanks for tuning in.